A folded sheet in your palms, an uneven crease, careless paper. It's about to take off, make a loop, and doors to childhood will swing open like a blessing. You launch my peace into the sky, and I stand here freezing in rhythm. It circles above the roofs of gray high-rises, reminding me that the world isn't as important as this moment where it's only you and me. A paper plane, a funny dart. It flies to where a small still waits for us, where instead of the sea, a puddle, but with a star in it. You look at me, and this is forever. A paper plane, simple happiness. I'm not afraid of bad weather with you. And the city sleeps wrapped in fog. The street lights blinked guiltily. We're on a bench I put into my pocket, shards of the sky that someone kind and funny once scattered for us, so we could find each other. And this little one made of paper, barely alive, it's like a beacon for us, my friend. A paper airplane, a funny dart. It flies to where a small stew waits for us, where instead of the sea, a puddle, but with a star in it. You look at me, and this is forever. A paper airplane, simple happiness. I'm not afraid of bad with you. A paper airplane, a funny dart. It flies to where a small stool waits for us, where instead of the sea, a puddle, but with a star in it. You look at me, and this is forever. A paper airplane, simple happiness. I'm not afraid of bad weather with you. In your palms, you launch into the sky. A paper airplane.